Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Las Vegas Luxury Real Estate Show. I'm your host, Kevin Jaramillo.
And I'm George O'Brien.
Well, George, here we're back again for another property tour. What'd you find out for us this week?
Well, we're in Ascaya again.
Well, Ascaya is awesome, and I'm sure we'll do more homes in Ascaya because they're all custom, they're unique. It's just a really nice community up there. So what'd you find?
Well, I found a really nice house. I'll tell you more about it. But, Ascaya, just for those folks who don't know, it's in the Henderson area, right over by McDonald Highlands. It's got 313 luxury estate lots and homes. It's on a spiraling monument. So you have some incredible views. I mean, the lots are pretty expensive. You're looking at $1 million and going north from there.
Just for the dirt. So if you guys all want to build your dream home, right? And you want to it's great. It's a great community up there. And again, almost every house will have a view of the city. Just the dirt at $1 million and up, and you may not even find $1 million right now. They're probably in the low millions, but they could get up there at $3, $4, $5 million bucks.
Absolutely. Have you seen the clubhouse in there?
I haven't seen actually Ascaya's clubhouse.
It's gorgeous. It's 23,000 square feet. They got dining in there, fitness. The normal.
So once you go home in your community, you can just stick around and hang out and not have to leave.
They have a huge swimming pool there too. I mean, It's big. Yeah,
nice.
It's really nice. The HOA is like $900 a month.
Okay, good to know. But if you're building a $5, $6, $8, $10 million home, you can expect you're going to spend that for an HOA.
Well, you kind of want to because you want those amenities.
You want all
Well, this house here, I just want to let you know, this house right now is listed for $9.5 million.
9.5, and how big is it?
It's 6,434 square feet. It's on a 21,000 square foot lot,
which is average over there, right? 20,000 seems to be the average lot size.
About $1,400 a square foot. It was built in 2020, so it's not brand new built.
Okay. So it's technically a resale.
Yes, it is.
But lightly lived in. Okay, let's check it out.
Yes.
Another typical kind of a boxy look, but I like the finishes in this house. They really just kind of went through every room. And there's the view. Just incredible.
Well, $1,400, $1,500 a square foot. You got to have some finishes in there.
Yes. Going home in your Ferrari. Because probably you have one if you live up there, right, George?
If you like that kind of ride,
you're not living paycheck to paycheck to live up here.
I can see myself whipping around town in that car.
Yeah. Yeah, she's just going home. Well, as you walk in,
I love that front door.
Yeah, it's a great front door. Again, a lot of glass. That house next door looks like it's getting ready to be finished. They're working on it. Beautiful staircase. Gorgeous. Kitchen. I tell you what, this is what we're leaning towards now as far as finishes, right? These cabinetry of this color. We did that other tour of a Pulte home up there, but look at that decor. Those are different wines.
The wine station there?
It's a wine station.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Dude, you just walk up to it and pour yourself a quick glass of wine. You don't have to open the bottle. They're already open. Check it out. She'll do it. Look at that. How cool is that?
That is real cool.
Hey, you come home, I'm tired, hey, I need a glass of wine. It's just like going to the Coca-Cola stand and, at the 7-Eleven or whatever. Give me a glass of wine. Pretty cool.
Pot filler there. Nice touch.
Really cool light fixtures. Look at those things.
Yeah.
They just look like lit up snowflakes, right? And then right in that background there is that huge featured wall there for the TV that looks like it goes up about 22 feet.
Right.
A lot of glass and wow, quite the look.
I like the color of the cabinets too.
Yeah. Now that's a really nice wine closet right there. Right. And they seem to always want to put them in the formal dining area. Depending on the layout of the house, I say okay, but not usually. I don't know that the dining should have that, but in this case, it works pretty nicely, right? It's on display. They did a fantastic job there.
Spiral staircase.
Beautiful staircase. Just gorgeous. Upstairs, loft area, little game room, bar. There you go.
Alcohol.
It's a bar, George.
Yeah. Got to show the alcohol.
No, it's great. Another nice closet. Bathroom feature. Look, George, wake up to that.
Yeah.
Actually, that's sunset because we know that's the west side of town over there. So this is late afternoon for these folks. But in the morning, it's got to be just gorgeous to wake up to that right there. That's never to be obstructed view.
Yeah, you're too high up.
Yeah.
You know, Sky is 3,000 feet up.
Right. And so here you are at the end of your bed. There's your feature wall with your fireplace TV, and to the left is the view of the city. Mm-hmm. This is why the price point of this home is where it is, right? We all know that price of real estate is what, George? Location. Period.
Absolutely.
Right? You can have all your amenities, this and that. At the end of the day, you're either staring at the ocean, you're staring at a beautiful city like Las Vegas, and this is why it brings those dollars that they ask for. And obviously they spare very little, a lot of expense in putting in all these great amenities. Little champagne toast. Look at that. Come on.
Now that's the view right there.
That's the $10 million view. Yes. Enjoy your glass of champagne right there. Yeah. Well, again, everybody wants to have their different lifestyle. Gorgeous pool, huge fire pit, great lighting on the house. So that was a really nice property, and Ascaya has a ways to go to build. So guys, if you think you want to live in an incredible neighborhood, we can recommend Ascaya all day long.
All day long.
There's some great builders out there that can build you the dream home that you want.
Absolutely.
There are parameters up there. You can't just build whatever you want. They do have guidelines, and they're trying to keep that modern contemporary theme up there. So you're not going to go build a barn house style home up there.
I was going to say log cabin.
Yeah, no, you're not going to build that.
Lot, right?
Yeah, you're not going to build that. But again, when you get in there, these communities are designed to flow.
Oh, yeah.
As one, right? And you don't want a huge mix match of different types of homes in there.
And driving up there, the way the roads wind you get
there.
a different view perspective as you're driving.
Right.
One, you're facing the city, then you're facing the mountains. You get all these different views as you're driving to your home or away from your home.
Right. And remember, guys,
pretty nice.
That area there, you're not that far from the airport. 20 minutes.
Yeah, tops.
20 minutes, you're at the airport. And all your shopping's down the street, so it works out good. Well, what do we got for the folks for what are we going to look at in Vegas today?
Well, we're going to look at the Ethel Chocolate Factory.
I love Ethel Chocolates. I remember when it opened up, and I believe it was 81, maybe 82.
Yeah, it was created by Forrest Mars, the M&Ms, Milky Way, and that guy. They have chocolate tasting up there.
Have you been there?
I've never been there.
So here's it. Well, we'll see this in a minute.
All the years I've been in Vegas, I've never been there.
It's really, really cool. Because they were known, they built the botanical garden right out of the gate. So it has an amazing botanical garden over there, and they really deck it out for Christmas. So here we are in December.
If
you're going to go see it, George, I highly recommend that you go within the next couple of weeks because this is the time to go see it.
Right.
And go just right,
Sure.
After 4 o'clock when it gets dark. But I'll warn you, Ethel chocolates are amazing. They're so delicious. They are a little expensive.
Well,
when we went there last couple of years ago, took some other people there, and I said, well, I want to try. And so you can buy them at the end. You don't have to buy a whole box. Right. It's kind of like the donut shop. I want one of those, right? They average one little square piece of chocolate, $2.50.
Wow.
That was 2 years ago. It may be more now.
The
one
the Wagyu beef of chocolates.
Yeah, like one bite. Like
wow.
Yeah. No, it's spectacular.
They have the chocolate tasting there, right?
They do. They have chocolate tasting. They got classes you can do there. It's quite the experience. It really is.
Did you go through the viewing line?
I did. Yeah. I said, let's go look at the Oompa Loompas. Remember that movie?
Of course.
So yeah, it's out in
Henderson,
kind of like the early part of Henderson,
Whitney Ranch area.
Whitney Ranch. You're not way up near the mountain or anything.
Yeah.
Because it's built there again back in the early '80s. So let's take a look at this thing. And again, I highly recommend to go this time of year because you'll really appreciate. They do an awesome job.
Sure.
There's no place like this anywhere in Las Vegas. You can take a class, learn where our chocolate comes from.
Your kids or your grandkids.
So here at the FLM site, we do have a really nice view now where viewers can come and check out us batching the product and also bring the product down our molding line or enrobing lines and then out front to be packed. Everything is done by hand. It's the freshest ingredients, no preservatives, no artificial flavors, top of the line quality. Starts in the kitchen, they'll batch the caramels, the brittles, the ganaches, the satin creams.
KJ, does your wife like chocolate?
Who doesn't like chocolate, George? But now we're only into the dark chocolate at this point, but
My fiance doesn't like chocolate.
Really?
She's the only girl I know that doesn't like chocolate.
Look at those things. Yeah, that store in there, you can go in there and just buy your individual little chocolate tastings right there. Be prepared to spend a couple of bucks.
The chocolate here is absolutely amazing. It's made in small batches, fresh, and we actually just brought back the original Mars bar that Forrest Mars made in 1931.
The Ethel Chocolate Factory Cactus Garden was actually founded
Yeah, here it is. It's amazing.
very small, but now it's all the way up.
That's where they do the decorations.
Yeah, they're going to show you a photo here. But look at this. It's just it's botanical. It's just amazing.
It's a great stroll and a great natural wonder here in the Las Vegas desert.
During the holidays,
There it is. Look at
there
that.
are wonderful lights in our cactus garden. It is absolutely beautiful. If you haven't had a chance to come out and check out our garden, bring your family, have a nice
How big is that area, the garden?
It's probably sitting on about 2 acres.
Decent size.
No, it's good size for sure. It's a whole walking path. Walk all through it.
Come check us out if you're in the area. We are the local chocolate factory. Come see us.
Bienvenidos a Henderson, Nevada. Es una planta de Mars. Lo que nos hace únicos aquí es que hacemos el chocolate gourmet.
For our Spanish-speaking friends, George.
Right, right.
Para la familia, el proceso empieza en la cocina, después pasa por las líneas donde se cubre el chocolate.
Muy bueno.
Donde lo empacamos, puede traer la familia, puede pasar por el jardín donde tenemos.
Yeah, you should make it a point of definitely heading out there.
Yeah, my schedule's pretty tight for the rest of the year, but I'll
You
make
got-
it a
you-
point for next
you-
season, next
you-
Christmas season. I'll go there.
You gotta make a room, George. Seriously,
Watch people making chocolate.
Hey, look, I've waited 30 years. I can wait till next year.
you'll forget next year.
No, I do want to check it out. Seriously.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So no, really cool. It's an experience. It's one of those that's kind of off the radar, so to speak. But when you go there and experience what they have over there between the chocolate tour, the chocolates, the garden, you're so pleasantly surprised and happy that you went. And you'll probably spend an hour, maybe 90 minutes. It's not like a half a day, tour or anything.
Okay.
So carve out a little time, get out there, check it out. So for you guys also, remember, George, if they want to look to buy or sell one of them luxury properties, who are they
Call
going
us.
to call?
They're gonna call
They're going
us.
to call us, right? Because we're going
Absolutely.
to help you. The market is still strong, right? We know the commercial market's really ready to tank really quickly. So that's really going to hurt, which will bring opportunity, though. But guys, the housing market is really strong. I don't
Especially
know.
the luxury market.
Luxury market, just all around. So if you're thinking you want to buy or sell your property, contact George and I. We'll definitely take care of you. We have a great pulse on the market, what's going on in the city, and we'll be able to get you either the best deal or the most for your money, for your
There
house.
you go. Absolutely. Well
All
said.
right. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Take care.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it.
Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and also that thumbs up button if you really like this video, if it helped you out and you want to watch more, hit that notification bell. We'll appreciate that very much. Also, look, if you're looking to buy or sell in the luxury market here in Las Vegas, you got to reach out to George and I. We're the experts here. So our information is below to be able to contact us. All right?
And we'll see you on the next video.
Take care.